Securing a hose sounds simple until it tries to slip away, like it has a mind of its own. That's when the anonymous hero steps in, armed with nothing but a washer and a piece of wire. No miracle tape, no cheap plastic clamp. He threads the wire through the washer, wraps the hose, and tightens it with the calm confidence of someone who's fought this battle too many times. When he's done, the hose is so locked in place, it might as well have signed a contract. In the end, it proves that good improvisation beats lazy engineering every time.